You put these in your ears every day. But have you ever wondered how they actually work? No wires, no speakers you can see. Yet somehow, sound appears inside your head. Let's break down how earbuds work, step by step, and why wired and wireless earbuds behave so differently. First, what are earbuds really used for today? Music, calls, meetings, workouts, gaming, sleep sounds, even voice assistants. They've become part of daily life because they're small, personal, and always within reach. But behind that convenience is a lot of clever tech. Everything starts with the audio source. Your phone, laptop, or tablet doesn't store sound. It stores digital data. Before you can hear anything, that data must be translated. That's where the DAC comes in, the digital to analog converter. The DAC takes digital information and turns it into an electrical signal your ears can understand. No DAC, no sound, no matter how expensive your earbuds are. Next comes transmission, and this is where wired and wireless split. With wired earbuds, the signal travels straight through the cable. Fast, stable, simple. With wireless earbuds, the signal is compressed, sent through the air using Bluetooth, then received, decoded, and played. All in real time. More steps, but no cables. Inside every earbud is a tiny speaker called a driver. When the electrical signal reaches it, the driver vibrates. Those vibrations move air. Your ears detect that movement, and your brain hears sound. That's it. That's the moment sound is created. Now let's talk about fit, because it matters more than most people realize. A good seal in your ear canal keeps sound in and noise out. A poor fit leaks sound and lowers audio quality instantly. That's why the same earbuds can sound great on one person and terrible on another. So what's the real difference between wired and wireless earbuds? Connectivity first. Wired earbuds plug in and just work. Wireless earbuds rely on Bluetooth, which can be affected by distance and interference. Power source. Wired earbuds don't need batteries. Wireless earbuds do, and battery life becomes part of the experience. Sound quality. Wired earbuds usually offer more consistent sound. Wireless earbuds depend on Bluetooth codecs, which have improved, but still vary. Portability. Wireless earbuds win here. No cables, no tangles. Complete freedom. Interference. Wired earbuds are immune. Wireless earbuds can occasionally drop or lag, especially in crowded places. So how do Bluetooth earbuds work in simple terms? Your phone sends compressed audio wirelessly. Your earbuds receive it, decode it, convert it to sound, and play it almost instantly, all in milliseconds. Are earbuds waterproof? Most are water resistant, not waterproof. Sweat and light rain are fine. Full submersion is not. Always check the IP rating. Are earbuds safe? Yes, when used correctly. Keep the volume reasonable. Take listening breaks. And make sure they fit properly. Long exposure matters more than the earbuds themselves. If one earbud stops working, don't panic. Check for dirt or earwax. Recharge both earbuds. Reset and reconnect Bluetooth. Most issues are simple, like not permanent. Final thought. Earbuds may be small, but there's a lot happening inside them. Once you understand how they work, you'll choose better, use them smarter, and make them last longer. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more simple tech explanations and comment below. Wired or wireless, what